morning, friends. It is Monday morning. Kids are off at school and the house is so quiet. Are you moms that kids already started school? Are you doing that? You're like, feels good. All right, so I am going on my morning routine, and right now I'm emptying the dishwasher. Shaylee has this zone, but she didn't have time to empty it this morning. So I'm gonna empty it because I have a dish full of sink. I have a sink full of dishes because this ran late last night and I still had more in my sink. So I need to empty my sink. I can't go until she gets home from school. So I'm gonna take care of this, and I'll probably run this so when she gets home from school she can empty that, because that's part of the kitchen zone. So I'm gonna get going on the dishwasher, get going on with my morning routine, and then I'm doing my weekly home blessing. So I did some laundry last night before I went to bed, and I folded these towels and put them on the washing machine, so now these have to get put away. Here are the things that I'm working on for today. My morning routine, my weekly home blessing, 15 minutes in the zone for the week. Emails, I already took care of those. I want to make some blueberry muffins, my night routine, and FHE. That's family home evening, like a family devotional. So that's what I'm just cruising along with today. I have nothing on my docket, but a lot of this I am filming. So with the zones, I am filming zone 5 for you guys. And yeah, and weekly home blessing for a video for you. So yeah, good day for productivity. Here's my morning routine. I usually hang it in the cupboard in my kitchen, but I took it down today just to share, trying to get so the glare isn't bad. So, all right, I've already done a load of laundry. I've unloaded the dishwasher. I've prepped their lunches. I've already cleaned up breakfast and the lunch prep. I've checked my planner today. I got the kids moving. The beds, because I'm doing my weekly home blessing, they'll be, well, I could say they're like half done. I've washed the sheets, I just need to remake the beds. But even then, the kids can remake their beds if they get home if they want, but I'm just probably gonna go ahead and do that. I've wiped down the bathrooms, and so now I need some prayer and scripture study and what's for dinner. Okay, we are having sloppy joes for dinner because I bought the hamburger buns last week. I just remembered that I did take out the hamburger yesterday to thaw out in the refrigerator, so that is done. And we are having sloppy joe. So now what I'm gonna do to get a little prayer and scripture time in for today is I get on my phone. I go on my phone and I hit the Gospel Library app here. And I can pick what I want to read, the Bible, so like Old Testament, New Testament, the Book of Mormon, Doctrine and Covenants, Pearl of Great Price, or I could get onto any of the church magazines and read an article, any of that. So, so that is that. So for today, I'm gonna read in Proverbs. So all I have to do is pick a chapter. So I haven't decided yet. I think I'm just gonna follow the Spirit and just pick one and see what it says to me. And that is going to be my spiritual cup of tea, I guess you would say, for today. Okay, now that that is done, I am gonna go say my morning prayers and then continue to hit the ground running. Oh, and also, you have till noon to get your morning routine done. It's still the morning at 11 and 10 a.m., so don't beat yourself up. I know a lot of you have made comments about that. You have till noon, my friends, to get this done, so don't stress yourself out. Oh, just making lunch. I'm gonna toast up my sandwich, but I don't want the middle toasted because if the whole bread is toasty, it just crumbles and falls apart. It's a mess. So I like to put 2 slices in one side. Voila. Oh, see? The inside's still soft. The outside is crunchy. Makes a perfect sandwich. Okay, here is a discussion. Let's seriously bring up in the comments. Are you ready? Miracle Whip or mayo? Ah, I know, scary, right? It's Monday. It's get stuff done day. Okay, so funny story about the Miracle Whip. So when Derek and I went food shopping the first time we were married, I was like, hey, can you grab the mayo? And when I meant mayo, I meant Miracle Whip. I grew up on it, and my mom used mayo as well in some recipes, but like honestly, Miracle Whip is our go-to. Like a tuna fish sandwich to me does not taste good if it doesn't have Miracle Whip. Isn't that funny? And in my family with my in-laws, they hate Miracle Whip. And I'm like, what? How can you hate Miracle Whip? Oh my gosh, do you guys have fruit flies right now? It's horrible here. The flies are so bad, and I have a lot of fruit in my house. My cousin brought me plums off her tree, and they're going crazy. So I have a little tip for you if you're dealing with those pesky fruit flies. Take a look. Grab a little plastic container, put a little bit of vinegar in, a little bit of dish soap, hot water, get it all sudsy. Oh my goodness, you're gonna attract all those flies and they're gonna drown. Gone. It's the best. I swear, I have it right here. It catches more fruit flies than any other thing I've ever done. But it's so annoying. They're so pesky. That's what is hard about this time of year. I'm so hungry. This is actually my breakfast. Shaylee left for school. She left for the bus, and she had like some of her bagel left. I ate that when I was cleaning up breakfast. I ate the rest of her bagel. That is such a mom thing to do. Ham and roast beef. Miracle Whip, a little bit of mustard. This is seriously an awesome tomato knife. Got it from Costco. It was in one of their packages. I gotta have ground black pepper in my sandwiches. So good. And some lettuce. Bam. Haha, yummy. All right, that's my lunch. Oh, and grapes. Look at all these grapes that were on sale that week. Yum, yum. We have been loving them. They're like perfect. Just gonna grab a huge pile and put that on my plate. Do you know that frozen grapes are so good? Derek loves them frozen. Oh, wait. I forgot the onion. Oh, can't have a sandwich without some onion. Okay, tell me down below what you love to have in your sandwiches. What can't you not have? Oh, I need red onion. Leave it in the comments down below. How do you make your sandwiches? Tonight's Sloppy Joes are from the Pioneer Woman. I'll leave a link down below. So good. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Dinner is served. Sloppy Joes in broccoli.
I want 2.
Oh, yum. You want 2?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, here is the Pioneer Woman Sloppy Joe. It is so good. Now I'm working on Derek's low carb because he does keto. And I don't do keto anymore because my body did not respond well to it. I don't have a gallbladder. So so I am making him a low carb one, and here I have a pound of ground beef, about 5 stalks of green onions chopped, the whites and the greens, and like about a fourth a cup of green pepper. And I'm gonna saute those up as I brown up the beef, and then I'll drain off any fat when it's done, and then I'll show you what's next. Also to this, I added salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I'm going to add 3/4 ketchup, and this is the sugar-free ketchup that you can get at Trader Joe's. So 3/4 cup. I also added a teaspoon of mustard and a few dashes of Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to link the recipe down below that I'm using. We're out of the liquid, like erythritol sugar that Derek can have. I did add about a half a teaspoon of vinegar in. It's good, but it needs a little kick. And so I'm going to put, I don't know, I'm going to sprinkle it with some chili powder. Put some of that in there for him. So I'm just going to play around with some spices to get it where I know he'll like it. But you know, that vinegar and that ketchup, it's sweet. You just don't have that like brown sugar flavor. So I'm going to taste this and see what else I can add. I do add hot sauce to mine, so we'll see. I'm going to give this a little taste. Okay, added some hot sauce in. It tastes good. But I'm going to leave it like this. Derek is almost home, and if there's any other thing he feels would make it taste good, I'm going to let him do that. But that is going to be his low, and I'll let you know, but that is his low carb sloppy Joe.
This one there?
Yep, taste it, and then we can add any other spices you want to it.
That's yummy.
It's yummy?
Has a little kick to it.
Well, you're used to the kick in that one, so I was trying to pop.
Oh, this is perfect.
Oh, good. Yay! Okay, we're going to have family home evening. We're going to have a discussion about a couple of scriptures.
After this, I'm being on my iPad.
You want to be on your iPad? You've earned your iPad time. Yes, you can.
Because it's charging right now.
Yeah. So we're going to have a mini devotional. The kids are going to have some time to themselves to catch up on any homework, play a little. It's 7 o'clock right now, 7:15, and we'll start getting ready for bed around 8:30. So, well, friends, I already took my shower for tonight. I didn't wash my hair because I'm going in for my massage tomorrow, and it's just going to get oily. So all I have to do tonight is get their school clothes put out and just finish the pans from dinner, and got my night routine done because the kids just did their zones. We're ready to go for tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you're doing good. We'll see you later. Bye.
Toodles.
It is in the home that we form our attitudes, our deeply held beliefs. It is in the home that hope is fostered or destroyed. Our homes are to be more than sanctuaries. They should also be places where God's Spirit can dwell, where the storm stops at the door, where love reigns and peace dwells. Thomas S. Monson.